was nice with you because once I lost the bid, you were very understanding of the other bids that I wanted. Obviously, I liked those houses and the property, but you were understanding in the sense of, hey, that it's not the ones for you.
Right.
So your professionalism was really great, and I just appreciate it. So
Yeah, thanks for the words,
yeah,
Dan.
no
I
problems.
appreciate it. It was nice working with you.
I appreciate working with you. I will definitely gave you good reviews on Google there, so on Zillow. So I will give the word of mouth more.
I appreciate
if
that.
I
That's
need
the way to
anybody
go.
want to buy a house.